G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. It is launch day. It's my favourite day of the month. It is launch day for July's Masterclass project, and we are going to be making this month in Masterclass The Professor. And The Professor is a beautiful mixed media owl, and very much an art project, very much a step up this month from crafting and even soft sculpture right up into an art piece. So for all of you who have been asking me for challenges, you might wish you didn't. With this one, no, I'm going to take you through it every step of the way. It's a whole lot easier than what you might think, and it involves so many techniques that you may never have dabbled in before. It's actually quite inexpensive to make this one, and you can really do some amazing upcycling. So it's one of my favourite projects to make because it's all mixed media. It's all about thrifting and bringing in bits and pieces and notions that you've found, really making it your own. And of course, mine is steampunk in style, but you don't have to create The Professor in steampunk. You go in so many different ways, which I will certainly talk to you about. So also today I'm going to be giving away, in celebration of creating The Professor and sharing him with you, I'm also an illustrator, and I have a beautiful print, canvas stretch print that I've had made up especially for this occasion. It is of an owl. I do love to paint owls as well. This painting is called The Speech, and it is of a beautiful horned owl with his rat friend preparing a lovely speech. Gorgeous, vibrant colours, very steampunk in style also. So if you want a better look at this one, if you come and check out my Instagram, I've got a good picture of that there, so you can check it out. You can see it's a lovely size canvas, and I'm going to be asking a question, and whoever answers that question correctly in the comments below, I'm going to be sending this one out to you, wherever you live in the world. So now let's have a closer look at my beautiful owl. So allow me to introduce you to The Professor. I've finally given him a name. Throughout the whole process I was calling him Owl, which seemed a little impersonal. So The Professor sounds like a really great name, I think. So many things to learn with this one this month in Masterclass. A total step up from craft into art. This is definitely an art piece, mixed media we'll call it. I run you through several new techniques. First of all, I am going to be showing you how to make this beautiful altered, upcycled mouse trap, which gives a fantastic little adornment around his neck, showing you all of the ways to create that, all the products that you need. We are doing sculpting over those wires, so he has wires going through his body that go down into this fabulous wood block. And then we're sculpting over the top. I do give you lots of options for those feet if that sculpting seems a little daunting. But I do take you through it step by step, and it's a lot easier than you might think. That beautiful wood block that has that gorgeous decoupage on it of all of those wonderful woodland pictures from my storybooks. Beautiful. I run you through how to make that block. And also, of course, we have those beautiful wings with a gorgeous new fabric that I've discovered, which is a metallic felt. Some of you might want to try that. Of course, you can make this one up in any style. It doesn't have to be steampunk. And who doesn't want to make that beautiful hat? I would totally wear that hat. So lots to entice you there, and certainly a whole lot to learn. I promise you that I will take you through it every step of the way. And we're going to have some amazing results. I just know it. I'm so looking forward to it. So now let's go back and let's ask that question and see who wins that beautiful owl print. So what do you all think? Is it something you would like to try? If it is and you haven't joined my masterclass, I've got the links down below there for you to join. I'll also put the links down below to join our Facebook page. You can certainly see everybody who's making masterclass projects. A lot of people post their work there, so it's a good way to see different results and might encourage you to be brave enough to give it a go. So I do everything in video tutorials that are absolutely step by step, just like I do here on Pay It Forward. It's very, very detailed, and I'm sure you're going to be able to follow it. So looking forward to seeing more of you there. Now, the question I have for you to win that beautiful art print is, it is about teddy bear history. So you know that my start in this industry was of course through teddy bears. So what I want to know is, it's a historical question, who invented and made the first teddy bear? There was actually two people, two different companies. If you can give me the names of those two people, then I will send that beautiful painting out to you. So you'll have to do some research. It's a bit harder this time, this one. So we'll see who knows their teddy bear history. So everybody, looking forward to seeing who wins that one, and looking forward to seeing more of you over in Masterclass. I have new projects coming up for you right here on Pay It Forward. I'm loving the Peter Rabbits, can I just say, absolutely gorgeous. He's just translating really beautifully. So thank you all for sharing them too on our Facebook page. Chat to me anytime through Instagram. That's the best way to catch me if you want to talk to me in person. In the meantime, have a fabulous creative week. Everybody stay safe and pass on all of those good things. Pay them all forward. And until next time, it is hooroo from me.